A very healthy morning to all. I wish you a day full of happiness and joy. Children, as we are on third chapter and already completed two topics of this chapter, so today we will look our next topic, that is component of health related fitness. Children, it involves exercises or activity that you do in order to try to improve your physical health and try to be healthy, or we can say that health of an individual can be promoted and enhanced with component of physical fitness. So there are mainly 5 component of physical fitness, that is cardiovascular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and the last one is body composition. So children, we will go one by one, okay? So the first one is cardiovascular endurance, or you can call cardiorespiratory endurance, okay? So children, it is the ability of the heart, lungs and blood vessels to supply oxygen and nutrients to the working muscle, or we can say the ability of those muscles to allow sustained exercise, okay? See children, if we have good cardiovascular endurance, then there will be less stress on heart and lungs, right? And we can prevent cardiovascular diseases which help us to lead a healthy life for a prolonged period, okay? So children, to enhancing cardiovascular endurance, we can perform some exercises like swimming, jogging, continuous slow running, skipping, right? And aerobic exercise is very good for that, okay? Now the second one is muscular strength. Children, it is also an important component of health related physical fitness, okay? And it means the amount of force a muscle or a group of muscle can exert against resistance, or in simple word you can say a force which act against the resistance. Clear? Children, muscular strength is important for performing our daily routine tasks, especially for lifting any weight, okay? And it can be increased through exercise like bench press, standing press, biceps curl, triceps curl, and leg press, okay, and many others, through which you can increase your muscular strength, okay? Now the next one is muscular endurance. Children, it is the ability of a muscle, or we can say group of muscle, to perform any exercise for longer period of time and without any fatigue, okay? And we can improve our muscular endurance through some exercises like jogging, walking, cycling, dancing, push-ups, okay, and slow running. See children, slow running is the best exercise for improving endurance, okay? Fourth one is flexibility. Children, it is the range of movement of joint, or we can say range of motion available in a joint, okay? Students, as we know, we have lot of joints in our body. So if we have a good flexibility in our joint, we can perform any bending exercises without any pain, okay? And flexibility is also helpful us to perform our daily routine tasks smoothly. And for playing any sports and games, we should have some flexibility in our joints, okay? It can be improved through exercise, but we have to keep in our mind that whichever exercise we are going to perform, we should perform without any jerk, okay? Otherwise you may suffer from sports injury. Clear? And children, flexibility is also increased by the exercises like stretching exercise and yoga asanas, okay? Now the last one is body composition. It is the percentage of lean body mass in comparison to body fat, okay? Children, lean body mass is related to bone, tendons and muscle, water, ligament and organs, okay? A fit person has relatively low percentage of body fat, okay? And the healthy amount of fat for men is between 15 to 18 percentage, okay? And for women, it is between 20 to 25 percentage. Children, it is important to maintain our healthy percentage of body weight, because if we have excess body fat, there is chances to get strain on the joints, muscles and bone, okay? And aerobic exercise like jogging, swimming, cycling, continuous slow running, children, these all exercises help us to reduce our body fat percentage, okay? And we know that if we have healthy body composition, then our confidence is also developed, right? And we never get tired earlier, okay? I hope this topic is clear to everyone. Thank you, children. And still, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.